In front of me is Motorola Moto S50, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts, select Add Contact, and click on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. In some cases, you might tap on Add in the pop-up. To change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner, move them around and save new order by hitting Save. To delete some of them, use those X's next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choices in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!